no matter what your floor surface is, no matter what your cleaning environment, or whether your operators are experienced or new. The Tennant Model 5700 is designed to be everything you need a scrubber to be, with performance, reliability, and easy operation, all custom fit to meet your exact cleaning needs. The Model 5700 is available with two different scrub heads, each designed to meet the unique cleaning challenges of your application. The disc brush scrub head is perfect for scrubbing, polishing, buffing, and cleaning smooth floors without debris. Up to 300 pounds of adjustable down pressure allows light cleaning or stubborn grind removal. The cylindrical brush scrub head is designed for floors with occasional debris or for tile surfaces. These brushes probe deeply into recessed grout lines to aggressively clean where most scrubbers can't. The cylindrical brush scrub head picks up small debris while scrubbing to reduce squeegee clogging and help eliminate solution streaks. The Model 5700 was designed with the operator in mind, so they can focus on cleaning, not running the machine. It has easy-to-read gauges and simple electric controls. A single button lowers the scrub head and sets down pressure. Brushes and solution flow start and stop automatically. For even greater ease of use, Tennant offers the 5700 XP. This version automates the scrubbing function with electronics that control the scrub head and squeegee. The result is optimum cleaning performance with minimal training time. The XP's preset and forget feature allows you to set scrubbing controls to match floor conditions. The machine remembers the setting, so the operator pushes just one button to scrub. Maintenance on the Model 5700 is easy too. Modular component assemblies are easy to reach, so repair is fast and simple. The Model 5700 is designed for years of rugged, reliable use. A shock-absorbing frame and scrub head linkage protect critical components from damage. Virtually indestructible tanks and a breakaway squeegee further reduce the chance of damage. The Model 5700 is available with several high-performance options. The off-aisle power wand lets operators clean hard-to-reach places. It quickly picks up spills under racks and equipment. Extended scrubbing offers greater productivity. It lets the Model 5700 recycle solution and cut time wasted emptying and refilling solution tanks. Operators can scrub up to 2.5 hours without interruption. Every 5700 is backed by Tennant's dedication to customer service and commitment to building efficient, reliable, easy-to-use products that exactly meet your needs. Don't compromise. Get the scrubber that is everything you need it to be. The 5700 walk-behind scrubber from Tennant, the first name in floor care.